Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. As promised, this is what KO and JD should never breach. If either of them breach what I'm about to read to you, what you are seeing on my screen, they're going to lose custody of their children, period. I'm not the one who said this, so it is the court. And as you guys should know by now, I don't deal with emotion. When you go to court, there's no emotion involved. Don't forget, in my live video this morning, I've already asked you guys to ignore the one that has been crossed out. You see, what you are looking at is just part of their divorce agreement, yeah? That the court now want them to go back to, you know, and this particular others was highlighted in this particular case of October 2024, because this is the one they should not breach. Okay? A, neither party shall name, reference, or mention the other party directly or indirectly in any public forum or social media, including but not limited to Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter. B, neither party shall disclose the confidential nature of the ongoing custody proceedings or disclose developments in the dissolution matter. Social media posts regarding the children shall be tasteful, and the parties shall supervise the children properly when online. As you can see, this is goes to the question a lady asked me, whether Korra can post her children on social media. As you guys were aware, I did a video about Judge Downey orders when she gave them all their rights back in the final judgment order, yeah? Now, when you look at C, social media posts regarding the children shall be tasteful, and parties shall supervise the children properly when online. The minor children cannot be the focus of the content of posts on the personal social media profiles of the parties. Now, what this particular area says in terms of the children coming on social media, the children can come on social media, okay? Okay? The children can come on social media. However, the contents, yeah, the content have to be tasteful. No making mistake about showing June or Athena's private area. Korra can now make sure she prepare the children before bringing them on live, if she come on live. But I would suggest for Korra from now on to do short videos, just like a lot of parents who are busy, they do short videos and they post it, because that will give you opportunity to edit, just in case something goes wrong, you'll be able to edit before posting. And another thing is that even though Korra can share, can have the children on a live, the life cannot be the main focus of the children. The minor children cannot be the focus of the content of post on the personal social media profiles of the party. So, for example, JD can post the children on his videos, on his page, just like Korra can do the same thing. But the focus of that content cannot be of the children. This is what the court says, though, not anyone else. The focus of that content, that video that you guys are posting, cannot be purely focused on the children. Forget about the California law or you know, of the children and all that, because that one is another thing that ensure that money made out of such videos have to go, percentage of it have to go to the children's fund. Yeah, that is what that law in California, the new law people are saying. That is what it means. Yeah. And you have to bear in mind that, you know, Facebook will not allow a child's page. So the safest thing is to have a family page where you and your children can do content together. But you have to make sure that the content is not purely focused on the children. Yeah. Now let's go forward. Neither party shall encourage any other person or third party to threaten or post disparaging statement about the other party. Neither party shall identify or name the other party's phone number, home address, business address, or business entities anywhere online. Neither party shall make direct or indirect references, threats, or comments about the other party. The parties shall encourage family and friends not to disparage the other parents. Now, when you look at G, You'll be wondering to yourself, the video Korra did, is there any inferences to JD? The post JD did, since they left court, is there any references to KO? Is there any sub? Like I said to you, what is at stake is the children, yeah? Now, let's keep going. The party shall encourage family and friends not to disparage the other parents. You know, they're talking about friends and family. There shall only be peaceful contact between the parties. Now, this is where it ends, yeah? Okay? This, you see this that I've just read, yeah? You see this that I've just read from others, yeah? From subsection A to subsection I. They cannot breach it, because if they breach it, look, this is what was in my first, my part 1 video. Look what is at stake. You see, third violation. In court, the court shall consider the what? The violation. Yeah? 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 The violation, Look at what the court is going to consider. The court is not going to fine Korra. They didn't say, oh, we are going to fine Korra or we are going to fine JD if they breach. The violation clearly says the court shall consider, look, read it for yourself. The court shall consider the violation of the judgment as an element of substantial change of circumstances. Yeah? Read it. You can see it, yeah? Circumstances to re-evaluate custody. You see? Custody, guys. To re-evaluate custody. Any one of them who breach this court order that I've just itemized to you. Yeah? From subsection A to subsection I. This is the punishment. Yeah? This is the punishment, though. Yeah? The court shall. This is it. Read it. Yeah? Third violation. It's not saying, oh, the first violation, we are just going to patch in the back. The second violation, the third violation. No. What this means is that if the first violation, that means it's not going to be, oh, you are going to do something wrong 3 times before you get your punishment. No. Please don't let these bloggers mislead you. A lot of them are not used to dealing with court matters or have any clue of interpretation of law. Okay? What this means is that there's 3 things, 3 steps that will happen if you breach. The first step you have to do is to clean up. Yeah? Clean up. Yeah. Did you see? Did you see that? Clean up. Clean up that violation. You see? You have to clean it up. Clean up that violation. Yeah? Clean it up. The second is the counsel, which means the solicitor have to be contacted about the violation. And the third step is the solicitor is going to approach the court for the person who breached that court order to lose custody. That is what they agreed to. So if both of them lose custody and their followers, you know, their KO follower will report JD and JD follower will report KO, like it has been happening. That means both of them will be held in front of the courts, and both of them will lose custody. Here, it is here. Look, it is written here. Look, re-evaluate custody. That is what it means. Anybody who have worked in the children's department, who have been dealing with, you know, all these cases back and forth, they will tell you the same thing. Okay? That is what it means. Sometimes when you see legal document like this, yes, it's written in English, but there is law and there's interpretation of law. So please don't egg any one of them. Say, oh, it's only first violation. Go and relax. Nothing will happen. No, that is not what this means. It's just the first step, the second step, and the third step. That is what it means. Okay? Now, the question, I'm going to use this opportunity to answer some questions. Question about getting multiple lawyers. Did KO have multiple lawyers? Yes, KO got 2 lawyers. One represented her with KO versus Zoe. And the second lawyer represented her in KO versus JD. Remember, guys, yeah? So, whether KO have another case against JD for reporting her pages or children pages. No, there's no case in court for this, okay? KO haven't filed a new case against JD for interfering with her pages and all that. But according to this, every that KO requested in that application has been dismissed, and everything JD2 asked has been dismissed. However, both of them have to go back and follow their marriage dissolution agreement, okay? And the new one that was amended in order for the children to come on social media is here. Let me show you to you. I just read it to you. You see, from subsection A, this is when you see 6, this is para. When you see 6, you see, when you see number like that, that means para, and anything under that headings is what we call subsection, yeah? So when you look at it, it is from subsection A to I. And as you can see, the remaining one, like former name restored, because all those ones have been resolved. They don't have any bearing into this new case. So from subsection A to subsection I have to be abide by. No violation. One violation, by both of them, will have their custody of their children reevaluated, okay? Okay, that is what is at stake. There's nothing here that say, oh, what they have to, the punishment will be, oh, they are going to fine KO $1 billion, or no. It is, yeah, look, it's here. You see, substantial change of circumstances to reevaluate custody. Okay, I love you guys. Stay safe and be peaceful. Be peaceful. Don't encourage any one of them to breach this order. It's not worth it.